I'm really scared that I'm going to get this wrong, but I'm just going to go with my gut. Dried dates.
Callan?
I pick up one of the small spheres and I start to squish it in my fingers to try to determine the texture. It's feeling kind of squishy and a bit sticky, almost like a date. It definitely doesn't taste like a date. It actually tastes disgusting to me. It's something I don't like. I'm just trying to think of what it might be.
To make you smile?
No. It's licorice.
So licorice?
Yes.
Tamara? You're right.
I hate licorice.
I'm absolutely stoked that I've got the first one right and I have my fingers crossed that I don't need to taste again.
Nicole, you're next.
Yep.
Off you go.
The first thing I notice in my fingertips is that it's a really hard texture. Once I start eating it, it's very dry and it's very obvious.
Do you know what it is?
Coconut.
You're right. Next one, Samuel.
I'm pretty confident with my ability to identify flavours, but I don't know how much of that I rely on the ability to see the food as well. I have no idea what I'm going to have to put in my mouth. It's pretty scary.
Yum.
As soon as it hits my lips, I know it's milk chocolate.
Milk chocky. Well done. You're right.
And I'm super relieved.
Right, Ray, you're next.
I feel pretty confident and comfortable with the blind taste test. I've been lucky enough to do wine tasting, so I feel pretty comfortable in my knowledge regarding different tastes.
Off you go.
I have a bit of a feel. I can't really identify the texture. I have a smell. I'm not getting much of a scent. Pop one in my mouth and I can't really identify what this is. You can feel the tension and the pressure just elevate completely. I'm not really sure what this is.
Ray?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Your answer's watermelon?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Ray. That's incorrect. Take your blindfold off.
Oh, grapes.
I'm really disappointed. I was pretty confident that I was the favorite to get through this taste test, and now I'm the first person that's going to cook in round 2. It's really shaken my confidence going into this cook.
Man, that shows you how hard it is.
Right, Michelle, you're next.
I'm feeling so scared because I'm not sure if I have a strong palate or not. You can't see anything, you have to just concentrate. It's crunchy to begin with and it's very spicy, just like tingles in your tongue.
Oh my God.
I start spitting it out. I just was like, what is this? I just hope it doesn't get into George's face.
Oh my God, it's disgusting.
But I think I know. It tastes Asian.
Ginger?
Well done, you're right.
I know because my mum cooks a lot of it at home. Back to my Asian root. Ginger.
Right, Jess, I'm coming for you.
Bring it on. I'll give it a few chomps, and I know it's definitely a nut. It's got a creamy texture, so I'm pretty convinced it's going to be a macadamia. It's macadamia nuts.
Congratulations, well done.
Alan.
It's really nerve-wracking. I want to make it through round one and hopefully end up on the gantry. I put the ingredient in my mouth and it's a creamy, sort of fresh, fruity texture to it. I'm thinking it could be a date and I'm thinking it also could be a prune. They're so similar in texture.
What is your answer?
Is it a prune? No, I'm gonna go dried dates.
What is your answer?
I'm really scared that I'm gonna get this wrong, but I'm just gonna go with my gut. Dried dates.
Callan? You're correct. Well done.
Oh, I'm so relieved. That was a very close call.
Benjamin?
I pick up a sphere and it's a little slimy in texture, pretty soft to touch.
Oh, damn it, I know this bloody flavour.
Without sight, you're relying on taste, texture and smell, but all of that doesn't make sense if you can't see what you're eating.
I know this flavour.
What are you thinking?
It's a very familiar taste. It just reminds me of summer.
It's rock melon.
So your answer is rock melon?
Yes.
Sorry, Benjamin. It's not rock melon. It's a really familiar flavour.
It is.
Try it again now. You know what it is?
Oh, banana.
I must eat a banana every week, 2 or 3 of them, and I can't pick it in a blind tasting.
Fruits are hard. The texture of the fruits are hard.
Tamara, back to you again. There you go.
There's only one more spot left in that second round, but now I've got to taste again. I need to get through this second tasting and then I'm sure that I'll be fine. I pick up the ingredient as I did before. I really want to try to feel the texture of the ingredient. And I'm trying to, squeeze it, but it's not really breaking apart like the first ingredient did. My mind's racing about the ingredients I most often use in desserts, but it really has quite a neutral, very, very subtle flavour, and I'm trying to think what the hell it could be.
Is it an obvious flavour to you, or is it something you're struggling to find?
A little bit struggling. It's definitely a fruit, like similar to watermelon kind of texture, like when you get to the rind part, but not watermelon.
What about the flavour?
Doesn't have a whole lot of flavour.
I'm feeling really unsure. I'm not feeling confident at all right now. Can't determine what it is.
Gonna need to push you for an answer.
Yep. I'm going to go with rock melon.
So rock melon is your answer? Tamara, I'm sorry, it's not rock melon.
Oh.
Texture of melon, has very little flavour, cucumber.
Not something that I thought would turn up in a sweet ingredient challenge, but now I've got to cook with it.